Hello, welcome to today's backtesting video. Backtested Monday yesterday, can't I did like one day off camera. Actually don't know if I took a trade or not. Let's have a look. I did. Took a dub. Anyway, let's get on with this week. So we got previous day high. Previous day low has been taken already. News at 10. I'm catching a patty swing, I can feel it. The hell? Why do they look so different? Anyway, I guess we got these lows on NQ. We got these highs, 1 hour intermediate term high. Oh my days. Overall, I would say we are bearish though. We got these highs as well. So ideally I'd want a little patty swing up and then take shorts towards the sell side. We did have an SMT, damn. Yeah, nothing I could have really done there. $9.30 on its own. What, like, I technically could have taken the inverse, but there's no way I'm taking a inverse literally at 9.30. 30-second inverse here. Yeah. What else do we have below? Got this sell side. ES is looking really bullish. We are inside a 2-minute here. Didn't technically inverse it. One-minute inverse. This seems a little bit better. Target the external range. But the only thing I don't like is how ES is looking like it wants to push higher. Not really a good break-even point. Could just go, well, try to go for a little one-to-one. But I'm gonna fade it. Damn. 10 AM open low there. I wouldn't mind longs from here. Got this 3-minute inverse. Target this 5-minute gap. Break even at those highs. Break even there. Oh, I don't like how bullish ES is. I think once it takes this high, I might take my position out. Unless we get hit break even before it. Which we did. Swept buy side. Could have taken shorts here again instead. Not the best execution. Should have just followed the trend. And that's 2 beautiful shorts I could have taken. That would have been a 1 to 2. This would have been a 1 to 2 as well. That's crazy. But I take longs like some idiot. Very, very bad execution here. Or thought process. Definitely could have, or should have, well, could have capitalized today. Next day, Wednesday. No news. Got 70 at those highs. I just mark out these highs here. Seems like yes wants to take that. Pretty big move overnight. Generally just looking bullish though. See, like this here makes no sense. Why is the S going down and NQ's going up? Could be a 10 AM open high. Potentially. I want to see a manipulation down here. Just like that. And an inverse up. Or not. Hit OT. I want to see a clear shift up before I take longs. Like I want to see a 5-minute get ran through or something. I'm gonna go for a 1-to-1 here. Break even at the external range. Nice. This is like the most patty type of trade ever. Could have targeted this probably. Yeah. 50. Yeah, probably should have targeted that realistically. Still a 1-to-1, so I'll take it. No way it hits the full external range. Wow. That would have been a crazy trade. If I targeted the external range, which obviously I wouldn't have. No, I probably would have targeted there, in all honesty. If I didn't just take it out at 1-to-1. Probably not having longs here, to be honest. Nah, would have failed to get an entry. Unless I just didn't take the highest time frame inverse. If I like entered here off this 1 minute or something, I don't know. Either way, happy with that trade. Could have could have made a bit more profits from it, but not that deep. Why is it not going to the next day? It's so slow for some reason right now. Got SMT at those highs. Why is everything so slow, bro? Very bullish. Probably gonna distribute to the buy side at market open. No? Interesting. Wow. I'm gonna set a limit here. Hopefully we get a tap back in. Damn. Okay. So I guess we did take the external range, which would have been my break even. So that was a bit stupid. In fact, very stupid from me. We take the break even. We sweep lower, take out the 930 lows. And get this 1 minute inverse. 2 minute inverse, in fact. And from here, I would target higher. Or this would make sense. Got 5 minute delivery, 15 minute delivery. Swept out 930 lows. Yeah, break even at the external range probably. If this one loses, I got no excuses. Looking like a loss. I'm gonna go break even here. Feel like we've closed above the most recent highs. We got a pretty decent distribution phase here. Well, like volume up. Nice. That's what I thought would happen at market open, to be honest. But we just wanted to resweep the open lows, I guess. Then we got this inverse. Pretty clean overall. If I put my stop here, I would have got stopped out for no reason. So I'm happy about that execution, I guess, with my stop placement and everything. Not getting too greedy, taking a nice 1 to 1.2, sorry, instead of a loss and a potential 1 to 2. Yeah, happy with that trade. The first one, like the limit order, I realistically wouldn't do like too often. And as I said, it took my break-even point, which was stupid for me to take after that. Looks like that's our draw, but it is still quite far away. 140 points. Well, had 830 news. Disrespected that 4 hour. Seem to be respecting that 1 hour gap. Not leaning too bullish right now, to be honest. Unless I see like a clear reaction up, I'm not gonna take longs. I don't think. I'm assuming that's data lows as well. Yeah, we got data lows. Swept the external range. 30-second inverse, I believe here. Yeah. Doji reaction or rejection. Not hating it. Also not loving it because of how crazy the risk to reward is. Do I actually see this playing out? Probably not. 30-minute delivery. Although I don't see why we wouldn't re-sweep these lows, the 930 lows right now. Let's see. Maybe this is stupid. Not gonna replay price though. Yeah. Could have gone break even. I wanted this gap to get filled there. Well, to take out these lows here. Not the smartest trade. As I said, like, hesitated going into this. I need to listen to my intuition, bro. And a 30-second inverse here. Seem to be accumulating. We did sweep the sell side. Got a resweep. Got a 1 minute inverse. Could take continuation longs from here. Aim for a little 1-to-1. Got we don't have delivery. Never mind. This is invalid. Would have been break even. Looks like we are gonna go for those highs. I want to see that sell side get swept and take continuation longs. But we don't get it. It's unfortunate. Yeah, super clear draw there. I did expect us to take 930 lows though, if I'm honest. That's why I took the shorts. Yeah, not really much I could have done to take longs from here. We did tap into EQ here. We got 5-minute delivery. This could have been a potential entry. Like a 2-minute here. Anyway, not ideal. Well, not an ideal way to end Friday. Feel like not feel like that was like definitely an avoidable trade. If I hear myself hesitating to take it, like, is it really a good trade, then why am I taking it realistically? I'm clearly not confident about it, so I would have no reason to take it. We still got new week opening gap on NQ. ES has filled it, but I don't care about that. Let's see what market open gives us. Tapped into EQ and OTE. It's a 5-minute. Damn. Didn't need the highest time frame inverse. We did take the bias. Oh, well, there could have been shorts here. No, okay. Oof. This. Oh, I wanna learn or practice 1 minute inverses like this more often. Like, we inverse that gap now. Target a 1-to-1. But this is like a patty type of trade again. I could target new week opening gap at this point. We have an SM. Oh, hold on. Well, I mean, yeah, we still have an SMT at the external range, which is the only thing that wouldn't want to make me take this. But then again, we are bullish. I'm gonna wait for my setup. Hopefully, 1-to-1 definitely would have played out. That's for sure. But we got an inverse here. Well, sweep here. It is a 30-second inverse. Not the biggest fan of this structure. Right here, 10 AM open. We inverse the gap. Gonna go for a little limit at this 3-minute gap. Or should I go for this one? I'm gonna go for this one. Just pray for a little retest. Nice, tap back in. Stop loss, very controversial here. I probably should have put it down here and not gone greedy. I say? Or, well, did I predict it or did I predict it? Still wouldn't have hit a... Well, still wouldn't have hit my target. Wouldn't have hit a 1-to-1 either. What would have happened if I took this 30-second and targeted the external range? Depending on where I went break even, which most likely would have been here, it would have been a break even trade. Or even then, yeah, that would have been a crazy stop raid, or break even raid, whatever you want to call it. Either way, not ideal, I guess. 2 break evens, sweep a sell side here. No way we're gonna edge new week opening gap like this. I want some better structure for longs. Creating a lot of low resistance. We're in a 5-minute here. 5-minute got inversed. Target up there, maybe. We got tapped into OT. Rebalance this 1 hour gap. Took out all of this sell side, including this one here. Got delivery. If we're gonna go higher, it's gonna be from here, realistically. No? Got an SMT as well, I think. Yeah, SMT. Yeah, let's go for a little 1-to-1 here. Break even at these highs. With low volume. So stop loss. Barcode ass fucking trade. Oh, that's break even there. Oh, if it hits break even now, I swear. There's no way. Come on. Bro, what is this price action? Oh my god. How has that happened? Because I targeted a 1 to 0.1. Oh my. Did it hit the 5-minute? No. That's the craziest edge I've seen. .075, 10. Literally 1 tick off. That's nuts. Alright, well, I'm not even gonna say I deserved that. We'll just go to the next session, but that's the end for today. Actually kinda enjoyed that session, bruv. This is so sad. I'm talking to myself. Uh, anyway, let's look at the analytics for this week's thing. I didn't even look if we had news on Monday. There was no news Monday. So 3-1. I'll take that. And the loss was a bad one as well. Was not even a statistical loss realistically. I predicted. Oh, not predicted, but I was purely debating whether I should take it or not. So happy with that trade. Happy with that one. Well, this week's backtesting. I am profitable. I know it, bruv. I just need to fucking act on it in live markets. And it's pissing me off. But today, hopefully you're gonna see a little patty swing or something in live markets. Yeah, see you hopefully later today, maybe definitely tomorrow.